Assalamu alaikum. I'm Faisal Al-Saif. Today, I invite you boarding Saudi and witness a very promising communication trial that we should soon enjoy flying any destination. Follow me and let me introduce you to Engineer Abdulaziz Al-Tuwajri from CITC and the network owner of On-Ground Infrastructure STC representative, Engineer Nasser Al-Ghamdi. They are responsible for the new experiment we will try out today for the first time in KSA. Let's see what's in the air today. Assalamu alaikum. Engineer Abdulaziz, what are we preparing here today?
Alaikum salam. We are equipping this Saudi airplane with a lightweight dual polarization antenna.
Correct me if I'm wrong. This antenna is meant for air-to-ground communication, right?
100% right. Instead of using satellites, this antenna will be linked with a terrestrial cellular network providing, in the future, passengers with internet access directly from the ground.
And we are going to utilize a 2100 megahertz band to get the connectivity during the flights.
Gosh. Since the brothers write, every experiment related to the air industry has been an adventure. But I'm sure that this solution from SkyFive will fly high. Let's see. Incredible. We're connected.
It works with a round-trip time of less than 50 milliseconds.
In a very near future, passengers will enjoy comfort accessing high life-definition video conference using the latest SkyFive air-to-ground solutions.